Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you.
We love performance, but we also love saving money. That's why the Chevrolet Corvette's appeal, its superpower, and the quality that sets it apart from the hundreds of other cars, trucks, and SUVs on the market today that didn't get the votes, is one we hold dear. It's the best performance bargain. But should you be thinking that the Corvette is more about the deal than the business of going fast? It is flat out quicker around a challenging track than anything else on the list. Even the lighter and purer driving Porsche Boxster and Cayman. The Corvette delivers a supercar experience at a sports car $62,195 starting price. And that next-level vibe extends beyond its go-fast abilities and test numbers. This 8th-generation Corvette has a no-excuses interior in its upper trim levels, with a nearly Italian flair to its multi-tiered and multicolored leather trim. Chevrolet also now offers more customization options than before, in terms of interior, brake caliper paint, and, yes, even seatbelt colors. You can even choose your own VIN or take delivery at the National Corvette Museum, adjacent to the assembly plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The sea change in moving the engine behind the driver comes with some negatives, such as atrocious rear visibility and the lack of a manual transmission. But the mid-mounted engine hasn't harmed the Corvette's practicality. It retains a sizable rear trunk that will swallow a twosome's golf clubs. Once you plop into the Corvette's driver's seat, entry into its low cockpit is often more fluid than fluid. Its powers are now yours. A narrow driver's area and the tall wall of buttons bisecting the cabin keep things focused on the seat where the best stuff happens. The 490 or 495 HP 6.2-liter V8, combined with the launch control abilities of the dual-clutch automatic and the newfound traction from the mid-engine layout, enables blasts to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds. Sharp steering makes it easy to slice and dice corners at up to its heady 1.03 grams cornering capability. Don't worry about going fast, because repeated stops from triple-digit speeds take place without the slightest fluster. No matter whether you've selected the Targa or the Convertible, the roof comes off should your mood go from lap times to cruise time. It's not just the top that adapts to your mood. Whether you're using it for a dull commute or a weekend away and with or without the truly excellent optional adaptive dampers, the ride isolation and interior noise levels are almost mid-size sedan pleasant. This year marks the Corvette's 23rd time on the 10 Best list. This latest one, more than anything else on the list and more than any Corvette before it, makes good on the design's superhero looks.